Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to show you how I clean my soap. So I use this planer, this cute little tool to clean all these edges of my soap. So as you can see here, you can see it's a little rough. The edges, like this one, it's a little rough in here, but this can be fixed by using my little tool. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how this goes. Okay, so there is a line here where I can set my soap like this, and then I will run like this, and it gets the edges. Okay, let's do it again. There. So it's looking good now. So all the sides of this soap will be slide like this. Okay, there you are. To create a beautiful edge. And this rough part here can be do like this. And it's now soft. See, it's beautiful. The edge is good. Perfect. And I can also have this soft by running it like this. There, it's good. On the other side, there, it's good. Okay, so this is how I do it. This is done. And this, not yet. So I'll do like this again. See? It's easy. There, it's beautiful. Still good, soft. For this, we can do this, plain this one. See? This is it. Okay, that's how I clean my soap. And for packaging, I use this soap box that I bought from wholesale supply. I just assembled that there, and I can put my soap in here like that. There, and there's the window, and the customer will smell from here. There. So this again. Put the soap like this. Okay. Close the top. There's your soap. It's beautiful. Okay. This is tea tree. Okay, there. This is coffee ground. There. One more. Then I'll put it here. Okay. So now I'm gonna put the label. So this is my label. From Avery, I use Avery for the label. That's how I do it. There. Tea tree and charcoal. And then at the back is the ingredients. Here's the ingredients. Here's the front. One more. Stick in the front. And then here is the ingredients. There. So this is pink salt. I think I don't have the label yet for this, but like this rosemary. So I have rosemary here. Okay. Put the rosemary. Okay. Rosemary cedar wood. Here's my label. I just took this out. Stick on the front. And the back, the ingredients would be my ingredients. There. So it's beautiful. So this is it. This is how I package, I clean, and how I label myself. So thanks for watching, and I'm gonna write the description below where I buy some these packs and my labels. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!